Are you tired of trying to lose weight and always falling into the trap of thinking you'll have to starve yourself or give up the foods you love? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to lose weight simply and without sacrifices. I'm not talking about crazy diets or constantly counting calories. I'm talking about practical, easy to apply strategies that will help you achieve the body of your dreams. And the best part? You'll still be able to eat and drink the way you enjoy. Want to know how? Then stay with me until the end, because the secret I'm going to reveal will change your perspective on losing weight. The first trick I'm going to teach you is essential. You know that feeling that to lose weight, you have to cut out everything you enjoy. I'm going to tell you the opposite. You won't stop eating. You'll just change the way you consume calories. And believe me, this makes all the difference. If you stop to think, the problem isn't always in the foods you eat, but in the liquids you drink. That's right. What you're drinking could be sabotaging your weight loss process without you even realizing it. How about we stop consuming calories in liquid form? From now on, what you drink will be water, sparkling water, or unsweetened tea. Let me show you how this can change everything. Now, pay attention to this example. In the morning, you had a glass of orange juice. At lunch, you chose a can of soda. In the afternoon, a glass of milk. And by the end of the day, a beer with friends. And to top off the night, a glass of wine at dinner. Did you know that by the end of the week, this combination could add up to over 3,000 calories without you even noticing? That's right. These calories aren't from solid food, but from liquids, which we often overlook. And the best part, you can cut this out once and for all. Here's the trick. To lose weight, eliminate liquid calories. Start with a simple change, and instead of drinking juice, soda, or milk, opt for water or sparkling water. No mystery, no suffering, no giving up the joy of eating. And why does this work? Because by replacing those caloric drinks, you'll be saving hundreds of calories every day. Imagine the impact of this over the course of a week. The secret is to drink calories, meaning you eat solid foods that truly satisfy your hunger and leave the drinks for hydration. I know it may seem too simple, but this small adjustment can be responsible for eliminating up to 0.5 kilogram of weight per week without you having to make major sacrifices. Remember, you're replacing liquid calories with something much healthier and without extra calories. Why not give it a try? But wait, the trick doesn't stop there. Now I'm going to teach you the second step, which is eliminating high-calorie sauces and dressings. Those delicious sauces we put on our meals to add flavor, like ketchup, mayonnaise, or even that oil and garlic-based dressing. They can be packed with calories and aren't essential for satiety. The food is already flavorful enough, and you'll see how by reducing these extra calories, you'll lose weight even faster. That's right. By cutting out these extra calories, you could lose over 3,000 calories per week, which is about 0.5 kilogram. And I'm not talking about eliminating flavor from your meals, but choosing lighter, more nutritious options. So, remember the two big tricks. 1. Replace caloric drinks with water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water. 2. Eliminate high-calorie sauces and dressings from your plate. With these two simple changes, you can start seeing results as early as next week without having to follow crazy diets or cut out the foods you really enjoy. How about it? ready to change your habits and lose weight in a healthy, enjoyable way.